The third phase of the 2024 general elections is set to start on May 7th. In the third phase, 93 constituencies across 12 states and union territories will go for polling. In phase 3, 25 Gujarat seats, excluding the Surat seat, will go under polling. Elections in Karnataka will conclude as its remaining 14 seats will be up for voting. Polling will continue in 11 seats of Maharashtra, 10 seats of Uttar Pradesh, 9 seats of Madhya Pradesh, 7 seats of Chhattisgarh, 5 seats of Bihar, followed by 4 seats of West Bengal and Assam, both the seats of Goa, and 1 seat of Jammu and Kashmir, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Now, out of these 93 constituencies, there are 10 key seats that we need to focus on, starting with Karnataka's Dharwad, where Union Minister Prahlad Joshi will look to continue his winning run. He faces tough competition from Congress's Vinod Asoti this time. Another exciting battle in Karnataka is for the seat of Shivamoga, where BJP has renominated B.S. Yediyurappa's son, B.Y. Yagavendra. In reply, Congress has nominated former CM Sarekoppa Bengarappa's daughter, Geeta Shiva Rajkumar, who is the wife of Karnataka film star Shiva Rajkumar and daughter-in-law of Kannada late legendary actor Rajkumar. Moving to Maharashtra, Supriya Sule, daughter of NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar, will battle for the seat of Baramati against NCP head Ajit Pawar's wife, Sunitra Pawar. In Gujarat's Gandhinagar, Union Minister Amit Shah will look to continue his winning run, but this time he will face Congress leader Sonal Patel. Another key seat in Gujarat is the Banaskantha constituency, where Congress has fielded Vav MLA Ganiben Thakur, known to be very active on the ground. On the other hand, the BJP has given a ticket to a new candidate, Rekhaben Chaudhary. In Madhya Pradesh, BJP leader Jyotiraditya Scindia is facing a direct contest against Congress leader Rao Yadavendra Singh for the Guna Lok Sabha constituency. Another Madhya Pradesh seat, Rajgarh, is up for an exciting battle. Former Madhya Pradesh CM Digvijay Singh faces a stiff contest against the incumbent and BJP MP Rodamal Nagar. Moving to West Bengal, Congress's leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, is contesting for the Baharampur seat. Former India cricketer and TMC candidate Yusuf Pathan will look to end Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's winning run for the Baharampur seat. In Uttar Pradesh, Samajwadi Party leader Dimple Yadav, wife of Akhilesh Yadav, is contesting from Mainpuri, a family bastion. She faces BJP minister Jaiveer Singh and BSP's Shiv Prasad Yadav. And in Assam's Dhubri, AIUDF chief Badruddin Ajmal is locked in a triangular contest to retain the seat for the 4th consecutive term. He faces tough competition from Congress nominee and former minister Rakibul Hussain and NDA nominee Zabed Islam of the Assam Gana Parishad. The results of all the 93 seats of phase 3 with other phases will be out on June 4th.